The Baptistry of Parma is one of the most unique buildings in all of Italy. It was built at the end of the 12th century by a local celebrity architect named Benedetto Antellami. It is octagonal in plan, built with this distinct pink Verona marble and this multi-tiered structure, which is characterized by those logge. You can see essentially those recesses with the screens of columns and the 8 turrets at the very top. It is a celebration of medieval architecture. The interior of Parma Baptistry is spectacular. Its dome is divided up into 16 sections by those pink Verona marble ribs that you see. And inside of those sections, we have Old and New Testament figures. We have Old and New Testament stories descending downwards towards the loggia that you see just below. And below the dome, we have 2 tiers of superimposed logge that are screened by those pink columns. And it's up there that you can see my absolute favorite architectural detail here in Parma Baptistry, which is that lion head capital, which looks like it's actually gobbling up or eating the column upon which it rests. The lowest level of the baptistry contains 16 niches, 3 of which are for the doors, 1 for the altar, and then at the center of the entire space, the original baptismal font, which of course symbolizes the most important function of a baptistry, and that is baptism. So if you're in Parma, be sure to stop by Parma Baptistry. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.